If example 2 is exactly the same as if example 1, except we've changed from signed longs to unsigned longs, both for the local variables and for the return value. We are returning a cost for our return value that is dead code here. It's either going to return 1, 2, or 3. So compile it, see the new assembly instruction, BGEU, and let's figure out what that is. That is a branch if greater or equal unsigned. So this is now going to be an unsigned comparison rather than the previous greater than equal, which was signed. So does an if rs1 greater than or equal rs2 and treat the register values as unsigned numbers. So no more caring if one of them is negative. If that is true, then the same thing as before, just PC plus offset encoded by immediate 13. That's the new PC. If not, just fall through to the next assembly instruction. And again, it's just going to show you an absolute address. It's not going to show you the offset in the disassembler. Okay, so not exactly a mental strain there. So this one should be quick and easy to step through the assembly and check your understanding.